Have you ever thought about creating a TikTok account? Have you seen other creators blowing up and thought, that could be me? The desire to grow an audience, build a community, and shine a spotlight on your creativity is where it all begins. And leaning into that desire could take you on a very exciting journey. Hi, my name is Erin McGough. I'm a film director and video editor living in New York City. In 1 year, I went from 0 to over 1.8 million followers on TikTok. In the past year, I've worked with some incredible brands like National Geographic, Backstage, Acura, ZipRecruiter, and even Skillshare. And a few months ago, I even signed with an agency, which is really exciting. Before I downloaded TikTok, I never even considered being a content creator or an influencer. But after taking the leap, being vulnerable, and messing up a lot, I eventually figured it out, and I haven't looked back. So even if you're somebody who doesn't want to do TikTok dances or engage in silly trends or even show your face, this class can still help you find the best way to market your creativity in your own way on TikTok. So I'm going to teach you how to do what I did and what so many others have done through a step-by-step process and specific examples. TikTok is an amazing opportunity to elevate your self-branding, get you some clout, grow an audience, and build a community. In this course, you'll learn how to design a strategy and find your niche, how to brainstorm, design, script, film, edit, and post TikToks. I'll show you case studies of success to inspire you, manage your expectations, emotions, and mental health as an online content creator, use content creation to elevate your real-world career, and of course, I'm also going to show what everybody wants to know, how you could potentially monetize TikTok. But it's important for me to state up front that this class is not about me teaching you how to become a cringy, clickbaity TikTok influencer overnight. This is about playing the long game. I want to teach you how to maintain integrity in your creative career while also marketing yourself on TikTok. This class is for ambitious and curious creatives who have a story to tell. This class is for graphic designers, illustrators, culinary artists, dancers, painters, filmmakers, photographers, writers, and everything in between. The only prerequisites for this class are curiosity and humility. If you fit what I just described, you're in the right place. I'm optimistic about the future of content creation, and I want to help you take that first step. I'm so excited to teach you all the tips and tricks I've learned along the way, so let's jump right in.